Ducks are one of the most common birds in North America. You will have often found them near lakes, ponds, and rivers. You might even fed them breadcrumbs at one point, though you're not supposed to do that. Ducks are part of the Antidae family and are related to geese and swans. Though they are smaller than their relatives, they have shorter necks, wings, and stout bodies. Female ducks are called a hen. They are identified by their brown feathers, while male ducks are called a drake. They are identified by colorful feathers. These are used to attract females for mating. Though ducks are known for molting, and this will cause males to temporarily lose their colorful feathers, females will also molt. Ducks have web feet that are designed for swimming. They have blood vessels in their legs and feet that are laid close together that allow warm and cool blood to exchange heat. This allows them to swim in cooler waters. Ducks also have waterproof feathers. They have a special green gland that produces oil that coats their feathers. They will pick up oil with their beaks and spread it around their body. This will prevent them from becoming waterlogged. Ducks spend their whole lives around water, making this very important. Ducks also possess a beak, which is broad and flat, and have rows of fine notches along the edge that are called lamels. These help them grip their food while hunting. They will use their beaks for preening that removes parasites and removes scales that cover newly grown feathers and to remove oil. Ducks are found in wetlands, marshes, ponds, rivers, lakes, and oceans. Ducks love water. A lot of species will migrate every year to breed, and some traveling thousands of miles. They go places where the water will be warmer, making it better places to nest. Ducks can live from 2 to 20 years depending on the species, while domestic ducks will typically live 10 to 15. As a fun fact, the world record was a mallard drake that lived to be 27 years old. Also, ducks vary on feeding habits. One feeding habit is called shovelers. These ducks have broad beaks and shift their food for insects, nails, seeds from the mud. Diving ducks forage deep under the water to be able to submerge more easily. The diving ducks are heavier than dabbling ducks. These ducks have long and narrow beaks. Their beaks are covered with saw-like edges, making it easier to grab for fish. Then lastly, dabbling ducks feed on the surface of water or on land, or as deep as they can reach by upending without completely submerging. Their beaks are broad and short. Dabbling ducks have tiny rows of plating along the insides of their beaks called lamel. These allow water to filter out of the side of their beaks to keep food inside. They eat plants, seeds, grass, and other insects, and animals that are found underwater. In terms of reproduction, ducks usually look for mates during the winter. Male ducks will attract female ducks with their colorful feathers, and female ducks will then lead the male ducks to their breeding grounds in spring. The breeding grounds will usually be the place where female ducks was hatched, and female ducks will build their nests with grass or reeds, even in holes in trees. Male ducks will guard their territory by chasing away other couples. A female duck will lay 5 to 12 eggs, and then she will sit on her eggs to keep them warm so they can hatch into ducklings. When the male ducks, on the other hand, will be with the other male ducks. These will normally hatch in 28 days normally. The mother duck will keep her brood of ducklings together to protect them from predators. Ducklings can fly within 5 to 8 weeks when their feathers are more developed. When the youngs are ready to fly, all the ducks will gather in flocks on large lakes, marshes, or the oceans to migrate to their winter home. Most of you have probably seen ducks swimming, so hopefully you'll consider these facts when the next time you see a duck.